How to fix Google Chrome not opening or not working in Windows? First step, restart your device. Once the restart complete after, you need to open run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Type it and click OK. Scroll down and search for Google folder. Scroll down and search it. Click it. Click Chrome folder and click the user data. Right click and rename it. Rename as userdata.old. Old. Once renaming after, close it. Open Chrome. Chrome will create a new profile. It will automatically create a fresh profile. Next step, right click Chrome. Click Run as Administrator or else click Properties. Click Compatibility. Enable Run the program as Administrator. Once enabling after, you need to click Apply and click OK. After completing, you can restart your device. After restart, search for command prompt, right click Run as Administrator and type the following text: sfc space / scan now. Type it and click enter. Wait for some time. The process will take some time because it's entirely scanning and verifying your files in your device. If there is any corrupted file having means, it will remove it. Once the verification is complete after, exit it and restart your device. Thank you.